Hey, look what we have here. Just came in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1999 Cadillac Eldorado. Their luxurious touring coupe. Looks great in the crimson pearl paint. Neutral shale leather interior, riding on the factory chrome wheels. Has had a little chrome accent added up around the top of the body line there, as you can see, that goes to the back, to the quarter Lando roof, if you will. Real rich looking car. Now the best thing about this vehicle, a little over 18,500 miles on it. Yes, those are original confirmed miles by the Carfax. No accidents on the Carfax. No events of any kind as far as damage or miles or anything like that. So clean Carfax, confirms miles of over 18,500 miles. 4.6 liter dual overhead cam underneath the hood, V8, putting out 300 horsepower. That's paired with an automatic 4-speed transmission with overdrive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior of this car, underside, engine bay, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see this car. Feel free to call too, 507-386-1726. Paint is in nice shape on this car. You're going to find a few spots where it's been touched up. A few little areas in the front there. But overall, nice shape. Obviously, this car is over 20 years old now, so you will have a few little blemishes here and there, but again, overall, very clean car. Interior is also in nice shape. Of course, bucket seats up front. Center console, shifter on the floor. Dual power seats in this one. Electronic climate control, heated seats. Of course, all your goodies with the power windows, power locks. Tilt CD and cassette player. Headliner is also in good shape, and you can check out all those things I just mentioned in the pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended service contract. One thing I did notice, the power antenna has been replaced for the soft one. Not going to have to worry about accidentally breaking it off in a car wash or anything like that. Looks nice on there with the black in color. We do have this quarter roof back here again. This is vinyl. You can kind of see the pattern to it, and there is a little bit of speckles in there also. Ties in nicely with that extra highlight and bright work that's done on it. Alright, let's check out the interior of this. We're going to start it up. Now, as far as equipment, the windows, locks, wipers, AC, AM, FM, stereo, all that. All the things that I tried did work on this car like they should. We also have power mirrors here and the memory seating. You can hear the compressor turning on and off. I believe I have it on auto. Yes, so the climate control is on auto. And you do have dual climate control for driver and passenger. There's your miles. 18,523. No accident indicators, or excuse me, no warning indicators on as far as engine, anything like that. The only flashing is the seatbelt, since I don't have that on. So no check engine lights, no warning lights. Wood grain trim, all in good shape. So what a beautiful car. And runs and sounds as it should. Doesn't seem like there's been any modifications to engine, exhaust, anything like that. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood open. I want to show you how nice and tidy this engine bay is. Alright, wow, look at this. It's as clean as the outside of the car. You may hear the compressor for the AC kick on and off. I just have that set on auto. So hear a click, that's what it is, but yeah, Look at how clean this is. One other thing I want to point out, which I do on a lot of these, to show you this hasn't been driven in inclement weather as far as in a northern state where we're from. This headliner, as you can see it there, if it's driven in Minnesota in the winter, the salt and the debris, it turns into just a dried powder on there. And any of the cars that are driven year-round up here, you'll see it on them, and they'll be stained with like a dried salt water, if you will. So this one is clean. This has not been driven in Minnesota winters. And it shows, again, take a look at the underside of the car. You'll see what I'm talking about. So there you have it, 1999 Cadillac Eldorado. Beautiful, luxurious coupe here, crimson pearl. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and listing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.